Hey folks, Andrew Lee here in Nome, Alaska. I'm down at the port ramp. This is the west side ramp. This right here is the high ramp, and that's the low ramp. Let's take a look around. It's very wet and rainy and cold. It's above freezing, but it feels a lot colder with this wind, biting wind. The river ice, this is mostly freshwater ice. It's starting to have flowing water on top of it, cracks forming. All the snow on top has melted. You can see the blue ice underneath. There's the city of Nome over there. A lot of ice here. So that's the mouth over there. You go about 150 feet past what you can see, and it's open water out to the ocean. Well, out to the Norton Sound there. There's the ramp. So a lot of ice on it still. There's the snow removal crew working really hard to move all the snow over to the snow dump. I should take you guys over for a tour of the snow dump. You might find that interesting. So there's NSCDC boats, a couple full dredges. There's some activity on 3 or 4 of them now. Here on the north end of town is Nome's largest snow dump. I can't really capture the scale of this. Snow, several football fields in size. I'm not sure how many tens of thousands of cubic yards of snow is dumped here, maybe hundreds of thousands. I'm wondering if it'll even all melt this summer. There's so much snow. This is just the largest dump. There's a few smaller ones around town. That way is another bucket line dredge, defunct, old. I think they shut that one down in the 90s as well. It's a small airfield, state airfield there. Storage tank. Building. It has a library, a museum, some other cultural centers, old fuel depot, public safety building. A public safety building has dispatch and police in there. There's the hospital. You can see over the top of this berm there. That's not just a berm. That's like a pad. Drive on top of the snow to dump more snow and just build it out and out and up.